Hi, my name is Edmund Wist. I am the founder of Cybersecurity Cyborg and creator of ARIA. And today I want to go over how we do search within ARIA. It's a little different and I think it adds a lot more capability. But again, you put the control back into the user's hands, so I want to go over how this works. So let's quickly go over some setup stuff that I've done on this test user. I've reached out to Claude Opus and I've asked it for the top 15 presidents. And then I took that and I clicked on the little crystal and I created a crystal that identifies the first 15 presidents. I'm showing you this because you can kind of see how search is portable between different sessions as well as how it can affect search. So now we're going to go over to the presidential research chat session and I am going to go in and I'm going to look for those 15 presidents. Our background research, and I've loaded it into the chat session. And now within this chat session, we are going to do a search, and we're going to be using, for this mod, we're using GTP 5.0, and we want to make sure we're doing a search on these 15 presidents, which you can see, we have them listed in the context. And so right now we have search off. If I click it once, I'm going to get search just once. If I click it again, I'll get always search. And then this is triage search where it does a little heuristic and says, did the person say search when they asked for the prompt? It's not an intelligence language model, but it will go and grab a search, kind of like the behavior that you're used to with your chat interfaces. But today, we're going to start from no search, and then we're going to go, we're definitely going to search for this, and we're going to say, pick one of those presidents and do a search for facts about them. Now what happens here is the AI is being told to use a tool to search, and depending on what search provider you have configured along with your LLMs, it will use the most relevant one. And now it's going out and it's doing the searches live. It's picked Lincoln, it looks like, and it's going through and it's picking a number of facts, as well as it looks like it's generating the URLs for them. And then you'll see when it is done that those are then categorized into a list, which you can reference them and check them. This one even has live links within the streaming session. So in this case, I think GPT 5.4 did a great job in presenting that information because it picked one from our context list and then it did the background searching on it. And I think that gives you kind of an idea, and you can see it has reverted back to the no search. So if I was to ask it the exact same prompt, and I've explicitly said that it could not search, it said sure, I'll pick Thomas Jefferson. But again, it's now going on its own specific history. It never did a search on the internet, which sometimes is relevant unless you're doing something that has to do with, like, since the model had been trained, or you're doing very topical research, a standard model may work. So I hope that kind of helps you understand how search is done. I think we've done it in a very forensic way. There's additional search capability within the workflows and the agent workflows, but I wanted to show you how we're doing it in the basic chat interface of ARIA. So thanks for watching.